Beauty covers, worth money. Again, look at the seats. Perfect. Perfect, right? Look, radios. All this wood trim. All this, the shift knob. Guys, this is all worth money. When you're up here doing stuff, not that taillight. These inners, right? And I'm not saying for Lexus. Oh, all the OEM stuff like that, like the emblems, all worth money. So when you guys are out here looking for stuff, don't forget that you can easily pick up some side cash, you know? Like these stupid little things right here, those little Honda emblems that go in the middle, worth money. And it's for any manufacturer. Steering wheels, look at these seats. Nice, good seats. I don't even know what this is. This is a Maxima. You know what I mean? And again, guys, this is just all for the taking. You know, you pay for it. Some places will even let you return stuff, you know? You even like these older cars like this Cadillac we're rolling up on right now. All right? Like the light, right? You get that to come out. You got some collector somewhere waiting, chrome bumper. You know what I mean? You got someone somewhere waiting, looking for these parts. They can't find them before. And while you're here, you can make a day out of it. Look at this grill. It's a Ford Edge. You could sit here and legit, like, especially if they accept returns, you can easily make money. Because if it doesn't sell in 30 days, you bring it back. G35. How many of these do you see everywhere? Beauty cover, although that one is cracked. Mercedes lights. Usually I'm going to think that they're expensive. Someone already took the emblem. But again, let's look at the leather. So this one's jammed up, but the passenger looks pretty good. That's jammed up bad. But again, guys, this is it, man. And again, I'm not saying, I mean, you could potentially get side in. This could be your side hustle for real. You come out here, it's $3 to enter, and you just start going crazy in here. You know, you got, especially if you got someone with you. Like if I brought my girl here, and she was on eBay while I'm doing this stuff, and the reason why I'm coming up to the Saab, because I know Saabs is money. They stopped making these things, right? So, look in here. Coil run. The seat looks good. It got to get cleaned up. The headrests, probably some money. Here's the best part, guys. So if you're doing rebuilt title cars, they need the VIN number, right? So there's the VIN number. The VIN numbers are all in the cars. They haven't been removed. So you can easily, you know, make some money. Put the VIN number up, what it came out of. Take a photo of it. So look, SV. I think the SV, my friend said, are worth a little bit more money. That's nice interior, man. And again, even though it's cloth, it pulls up. Nice little radio. Steering wheel needs some cleaning. A cluster. And again, I'm not saying that all these you're gonna pull out. What I'm saying is, as you're in here, you're looking at. Oh, I just sold this thing yesterday. I was looking for a part for it. I just sold it. While you're in here, you're looking at. Excuse me. You're looking at other stuff to make. You know, here's another Infinity. Look at those nice Infinity wheels. Now that's probably not good for eBay. That one was a little curved. But again, you get someone who's looking for stocks. This one's got all four. The rubber looks good. You know, so if you had one of these, and they got the centers. Those two, yeah. So if you got something on your lot like that, you want to give it a little bit more juice, a little bit more, you know, juicy, like make it look better. You're good. So I could sit here and go over a million of these things all day long. What I came to get today was I came out here to get the I don't know if you guys seen the 2010 Corolla. I had some pieces missing from it, so I came out here and picked some up, some pieces. I got lucky. Everything I needed was here, with the exception of the back seat. The back seat's not too awful bad, but we'll use it. So it is what it is. And again, guys, don't even sweat it. Like these dirty ass headlights, you can make these things beautiful, beautiful. You know, look, old ass Corolla. I can tell you right now, these Corollas, these door panels are worth money, and it's got the key. These things are worth money. Look, they're in here. I mean, this one's not in the best of shape, but people will buy it because you can't get them. That's the problem. You can't get these. I have a 01 that can't get nothing to. A little tracker. These things bring all the money in Puerto Rico, boy. So again, you get some parts out of this thing that you could use. It doesn't look bad. Back seat. No, the back seat might be folded down. I'm not sure. But again, Guys, look, like I said, I ain't saying make no fucking career out of this, okay? I'm just saying, if you're gonna be out here getting parts anyway, why not get some parts? So look, Explorers, really, really common cars, right? Very common. Look at the seat. It's in damn good shape. It's OEM. And again, I'm not saying take the whole seat. You know, stupid stuff like this is money. I'm not saying take the whole seat. I'm saying just take the cover off, okay? So I don't have my pry tool. Just walk around with that. But if you go underneath here, you stick your hand under the back part of it and pull it out. I don't have my tool. It'll pull out, and then you just raise it up, and then you need the pin to take this out. Shit. So you see this little hole right there? Right there. You put your pick in there, boop, boop, and this comes off. And again, for the 90th time. This right here, look at this. This thing smells so good too. I bet you we were gonna sell it, or they just had a detail. Someone loved it. So you see that? That sunroof cover is perfect. That is money. That's money. Because you're gonna pay like $300 to take your headliner down and have that redone. You're gonna sell this, no problem. I'm interested to see what that even goes for on eBay. But, you know, 300 tail lights, probably not that expensive. But again, as you start using the app more and more, you'll be able to, what the fuck? Damn, this thing got hit hard, but beauty cover's still good. A little dart. But anyway, like I was saying, as you do this more and more, look at this guy's taking out that whole car apart. He's building one at home. But as you do this more and more, you'll get familiar with the parts that sell and what does not. So I don't know if you guys seen the video with the white Cadillac. I needed those front seats out of it, so we were able to get it. I wish I could just put that in it, but I'm not going through all that. Look at this shit. Look at this. Break time already?
Hey,
look. By tools, I think he's talking about me. I think that's what he's talking about.
That little fucking impact driver that I told you to get from your house.
Oh, damn. You want to hear some?
I about broke this one too.
Hold on, I want to tell you right now. I bet you it's in my pocket. Hold on. Leroy, always act like a dick. Watch. That's not it.
Yeah, it definitely is.
Hold on. Oh, I tried. I did bring it. It's not in the tool bag.
It is in your pocket.
Bro, it's right there.
It's in your pocket, Dick.
Bro, it's in the wheelchair.
The wheelchair, yeah.
Yeah.
The thing that you're gonna roll me out again.
Oh, what the fuck is that thing called?
Wheelbarrow, dude.
It's in the wheelbarrow. So look, let's just say this. I seen Leroy saying it. So this one's broke. But look at this. The back seat's missing. But you got this back part. If that one is good, take that. Look at these door panels. You know, BMW people, you can change the interior. All you gotta do is get the front seat, your driver's seat, you're good. Anyway, guys, I'm out. I gotta get back to work. Leroy, I need me to lift that shit out. Later. What's up, everybody? So it's your boy Dave Mo, just finishing up this video for you guys. I'm sorry I slacked a little bit this week. I'm not gonna front. I had a lot of stuff going on, but here I was watching the video of. I made a short at LKQ when I was picking out parts, and I wanted to show you what you would be doing when you're there. So I was looking at that Lexus, the first Lexus we opened up with, and the radio, and it's the radio without navigation, right? So it was $35 for the total price. Here's how you want to play this, guys. Here's how you want to play this, okay? So here's the hack, if you will. Radio without navigation, total price is $35.10. The actual price of the part is $27, and a 90-day worry-free guarantee is $8.10. So, if you bought that $8.10 guarantee, that gives you 90 days to sell that unit on, let's just say, eBay. Now let's look on eBay. Of course, I already had it pulled it up. No sense. Already pulled it up for you. No sense in me going over it. But here's that same console right here, the radio portion. Okay, $97 plus 11. So you subtract $97 from your $35. I don't know. Let's just see what that comes out to for real. Let's just use whole numbers. $62 profit, okay? So basically, you'll make 60 bucks for doing this. Now, keep in mind, I'm not trying to tell you guys that you should go out there and start, hold on, yeah. So I'm not saying for you guys you should go out there and just start doing this full time. And you could. If this is where you're at, let me tell you this right now. This is like no risk, right? Because the only thing you're risking is time. You can go out there and you can simply look at a car, see it's got something, look it up, see what it's going for, look at the price list, and quickly maneuver, add things to your little dumpster, not dumpster, what the hell is that thing called? Wheelbarrow. And then, make your money. And think about this, guys. If you went out there for a day and you were able to get, let's just say, 10 products that made you $30 a product, okay? And you only did it one day. You did it on a Tuesday, for argument's sake. And you sold those 10 pieces every week. Or let's just say you sold, for argument's sake again, you sold 40 in the month and it took you 4 days. You made 300 times 4. Again, I'm talking about $30 in profit. There are things that are more or less money, okay? Let me see if I could look up the door panels. So here, look. This is all of the wood that comes off the back door. 50 bucks. Again, you would need to look to see how much each piece costs. I don't even know how I would look that up, but I would figure it out. I mean, I guess we could right now. Let's look up trim. See what comes up. Interior trim front door, rear doors $26, $20 for the part. Trim ring, I don't know what a trim ring is, but I'm gonna go with that, say it's 20 bucks. And what I would do is take it off the door and wrap it together. If there's more than one piece on the door, I would take it, wrap it together and be like, look, this came from one door. And see if they would give it to me for 20 bucks. Now that might not, if they, let me see. Left, right, front, rear. So this is actually left, right, front, rear door. So I'm assuming this is, yeah, set of 4. So it's probably one on every door. So this might not be a great deal. Because when we come over here and we start looking, it's $20, right? So, that's 40 right there. And then the front door is also 20, okay. So that's 80. So you would lose there. But again, you would have to look at it, right? So let me see this. Because I initially wanted to look at door panel. Maybe just panels? I don't know. Dash panel. Headline, no. Let's see if I put door. Because maybe panel is not the word to search for. Door assembly. Glass. Handle. I don't even know how. I don't even know why. If you guys see it and I missed it, just let me know. Hinge, trim. Here we go. Trim panel. Oh, so the trim panel is probably the whole inside door panel. So if that's the case, if it's the whole trim panel, like the whole thing, Brian, that's a win right there. Because you take this part off, so you're gonna get whatever you're gonna get for that, right? This guy's selling them for that for 50, and this guy's got the panel right here. Oh, he's doing free shipping, so that might hurt you. But if that panel is 20 bucks, if that panel right there is $20 complete, even if you sold it for that price and had to spend 40 on shipping, you're gonna kill it with that. Let's see what else. 119, 149, 119, 300 for the set, 100 bucks plus 40 for shipping. Again, that's a beautiful price. If you're spending $20 on this, just sell it for 70 plus 40 shipping or whatever you could get the shipping for. You're making 50 bucks. You know what I mean? So again, I'm just showing you guys there's definitely money to be made. I don't think any of this stuff is good. Modules make money, right? So let's look it up again. Let's look up module. And so you could just look here and be like, okay, so that one's going to be $69. Let's do this. Sort, highest plus shipping. You can start looking. So this is the Windows unit. What is this? The suspension module. All right. So now we know the suspension module is going to go for $200. I would probably do one more search, a little bit more in depth to see who else has them. But let's just go with that price. We'll come back over here and let's just see if it's going to be computer or module. Chassis control module, hybrid. So these are going to be 3. So they're either going to say it's a chassis control module or the engine module. Either way, what you're looking at is, again, if you did the total price with the core, because you don't have a core, you're looking at $47 or $100. Now, I think you could argue that it's not the ECM. ECMs certainly look like an ECM. So I would say it's the chassis control module. Even though we know it's suspension module, we'll just say it's the chassis control module. You add that 90-day warranty to it, you're at $47. And what did it say? These things go for $200, I think, right? Where'd it go? $202 with free shipping. That probably fits in a flat rate shipping box for maybe $10. So you're golden there. So you're looking at like $150 come up off of one item. The moral of the story here, guys, is that there is money to be made if you're out there to make it. All right. I hope this was helpful. I hope you guys, just make some money. Talk to you guys on the next one.